The following video will show you how to operate the shower in the bathroom on the top floor next to the tulip room. Ensure that this pull cord has a light that indicates that the power is on to the shower. You've got 3 settings at the top there. If you have it on this setting, that's going to give you the best output for your shower. If you have it on that one, you may find that the shower is powerful but not very cold. So ensure that that is switched to the 2 red lines. To turn the shower on, press start, stop. The bottom dial here allows you to turn between hot and cold. So that's currently selected number 1, that's cold. And by turning it clockwise, you can then select a hotter setting. Once you've finished with your shower, press the start stop button. And when you've finished with the shower, you can turn it off from the pull cord.